In this video, I will show you how to add clickable table of content to your ebook. How to make your table of content to be clickable. So this is what I'm going to show you on this ebook. Let me show you example what I mean. So look at this ebook that I have here. Look at this ebook I have here. So this is a table of content here, and you can see this table of content has chapter 7. This ebook in total have 7 chapters. And let me say that I don't want to read chapter 1. I don't want to read chapter 2. I want to move straight to chapter 7. Then see what I will do here. I'll click on chapter 7. Look at it. It has taken me straight to the page that contains chapter 7. So this is exactly what I want to show you here. How to add clickable table of content to your ebook. Okay, then at the end of this video, I will also show you another thing. I will also show you how to add link to your ebook. For example, you created a free ebook, or you created a low budget ebook like 1,000, 2,000 naira ebook, and after that you want them to pay for another thing. Either you want them to join your WhatsApp, you want them to follow your Facebook, or you want them to buy your products. How to add extra link, another link from another platform to your ebook, so that they will take any particular action that you want them to take. Okay, so let's go straight on how to add clickable table of content. And in case you are coming across this channel for the very first time, you are highly welcome. All right, so this is Digital Happy Channel. In this channel, I talked about how to monetize your knowledge, how to package what you know into a digital product so that people will buy and pay you, you get your money. So this is exactly what we discussed on this platform. Okay, so let's move to what we want to do. So this is our ebook here. This is our ebook. Excuse me, I'm coming. So this is my ebook here. Now I want to add table of I want to make the table of content to be clickable. So what do I need to do? So look at my table of content. This particular table of content is not clickable yet. You cannot click it. It's not going to take you anywhere. Now for you to do that, for you to take this action, you need to take action on the topics of every chapter. All right, so let me say, for example, we want to add link. We want our introduction to be clickable. What we need to do, first of all, we'll go to introduction page, and remember that you will do this thing after formatting your book, after formatting the whole of your ebook. This is the last thing that you need to do. Okay, in case you don't know how to format your ebook, I've already made that video. The video is on my channel. You can see that video. Just check on my channel. You see how to format your ebook using Google Doc. Okay, I did a complete full video on how to format your ebook with your phone using Google Doc. Now after formatting your book like this, then let's say you want to add introduction, you want to add link to this introduction. What we need to do is we go straight to this introduction, select the introduction, then click on this place, this A form, this place that have a sign. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, you will see this place is supposed to be normal text, something like this. This place, this is where you're going to click. Then you click on it. First of all, when you click on it, for the fact that you have not added link on this thing, it's going to appear normal text. This is what you are going to see. This is what you're going to see. Something like this. Okay, I've removed it. Now you click on it, select it. Let's go back. So once you open it, it's going to appear like this. This is exactly how it's going to appear, normal text. Now you click on this particular stuff here. You click on this particular stuff. Once you click on it, then you select heading. Either you select heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, whatever heading that you want to select. Then but I love working with heading 1. Just select heading 1. Okay, come over here. Okay, I've selected heading 1. Then give it a font of your choice, any font that you want. Then reduce, I will reduce this thing. I will reduce the number, then make it bold. Okay, let me put it in the center, then make it bold. So now I have added heading here. I have added heading on this introduction. Now let's go back to our table of content. Then highlight your heading here. Highlight this heading. Once you highlight this heading, then come over here to this particular plus sign. Remember the first time we click on this A sign. Now this second time we are clicking on plus sign. Then you click on this plus sign. Once you click on this plus sign, you're going to see link. Click on link. Then once you click on link, this is what you're going to see. Click on this very one. This is where you're going to go. This heading. Click on heading. Once you click on heading, every of your topic that you gave heading, that you put heading, all of them will appear here. Remember that we put heading to our introduction. Just click on introduction and click good. You can see it has added. Then the same thing will happen. Then you come over to your chapter 1. Go to your chapter 1. Select your chapter 1. Once you select your chapter 1, click on this place that have a sign. It already has heading, but if you have not added heading, what you will see there is normal text. Okay, what you see there is normal text. Then you choose the font you want. Okay, let me bring it to middle. Then it has added. All right, now you see, go back. Let's go back to our chapter 1. Let's go back to our chapter 1. Click on this plus sign, go to link, then click on heading, select chapter 1. This is how to add clickable table of content to your ebook. Very simple. All right, then you see select. Maybe after you would have added headings to all of the chapters, all of the topic of the chapter, maybe chapter 1, chapter 2, or maybe you still want to add the particular chapter title heading. If you want to add heading to the particular chapter of the particular title of the chapter, after adding heading on it, you can still select it and it will appear here, maybe depending on the way you arrange your table of content. All right, depending on the way you arranged it. Now chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, follow the same step that I showed you here. I showed you how to put heading, add heading on each chapter. Okay, here I've showed you how to do that. Where is my chapter 2? This is my chapter 2 here. If you select chapter 2, highlight chapter 2, come over here to plus sign, click on link, then look at heading. Okay, once you see heading, okay, sorry, I'm in this chapter 2. Once you highlight chapter 2, come over here to this A sign, then on this A sign, click on choose heading. It's going to be on normal text, but choose heading. Okay, once you choose heading, it will enter. Then you move to you go back to your table of content, highlight the particular chapter, this chapter 2. Once you highlight this chapter 2, you go to link plus and then click heading, then select chapter 2. You can see it has added. All right, so let's check what we just did. Now I want to move to chapter 2. Click on chapter 2. You can see it has taken us to chapter 2. So this is how to add heading to your, how to add clickable table of contents to your ebook. Now I promise to show you another thing, how to add the order of your link, your website, your product link, your social media platform link. So what you need to do maybe at the end, depending on where you want to add the link. Let me say, for example, at the end of the ebook, you want them to follow you, you want people to read your book or follow or get my product here. What you need to do, click on highlight that particular text. Let me say, get my product here. You highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on this place. Wait, I'm coming. Click on this particular, let me highlight. Okay, once you highlight it, click on these 3 arrow, please. I want to show you something using arrow. It's not appearing. So click on these 3 arrow. You can see insert link. Click on insert link. Once you click on insert link, okay, now you are the one that will insert your link. Maybe copy your link from wherever place that you have it. You go and copy your link. Once you copy your link, you come over that place that have link, then paste your link. I've already paid. This is my link. This is my seller link. Maybe after my ebook, I want you to go and check my product on seller. Then I'll click on it and click good. Now look at it. So let's test what we just do now. Then click on this product. Click on it. It's going to see. It's taking us to our seller store. Okay, it's not taking me to my seller store. So look at it here. It has appeared. So this is how to add maybe a link to your ebook. This is how to add link to your ebook. You can direct the people to go and get your product or whatever. So if you are finding value, if you like this video or you find value from this video, please don't forget to support us, to support this video by clicking that subscribe button on your front there in front of your phone. Okay, give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends, to your family, people that also want to learn how to do this particular stuff.